If you're looking for a capable midsize truck without the full-size footprint, take a look at this 2021 Ford Ranger XL, stock number MLD30887. It's got right around 72,000 miles on it, running a fuel-efficient 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive, so you're ready for gravel roads or winter weather here in Oklahoma. This Ranger also comes loaded with driver assist features like lane keeping assist, blind spot sensor, rear cross traffic alert, and a pre-collision warning system. It's finished in gray and rated for 20 city, 24 highway miles per gallon. The price is $29,995 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $30,294 plus tax, tag, and title. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.